Welcome to TechX Lovers. Futuristic concept that will blow your mind. AirCar. The AirCar is a dual-mode car aircraft developed by Line Vision of Nitra. Slovakia is a roadable aircraft that can transition driving on roads to flying in the air in less than 3 minutes. The AirCar is powered by BMW engine and has a top speed of 750 km at 466 mph and an estimated range of 1200 km, 746 mi. It can accommodate 1 pilot and 3 passengers. The AirCar has completed several successful test flights, including a 35-minute flight between 2 airports in Slovakia in June 2021. The company expects to begin commercial productions of the AirCar in 2023. The AirCar is designed to address the challenges of urban transportation, so it can help to reduce traffic congestion, air pollution, so it can provide a more convenient and faster way to travel long distance. It is still in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize transportation, so it could make it possible for people to travel quickly and easily between cities without having to deal with the traffic jams and airfare. SpaceX Heavy Moon. The SpaceX Heavy Moon base is a proposed lunar base that would be built and operated by SpaceX. The base would be used for a variety of purposes, including scientific research, resources extractions, and tourism. The SpaceX Heavy is a heavy-lift launch vehicle that is capable of launching large payloads into space, so it is the most powerful operational launch vehicle in the world. The SpaceX Heavy Moon base would be built using Starship spacecraft, which are fully reusable spacecraft that are currently developed by SpaceX. Starship is designed to be able to transport a large amount of cargo and people to the moon and Mars, so it would be also used to transport supplies and personnel to and from the SpaceX Heavy Moon base. VRCO XP4. The VRCO XP4 is a 4-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft being developed by UK-based VRCO. It is expected to have a flight endurance of around 60 minutes at a cruise speed of 184 mph. The all-electric design features 4-tip ducted vents. The VRCO says the vehicle will feature a high degree of animations and automations of the cockpit and a safety wall aircraft parachute. The XP4 is still in the early stages of development, but VRCO has already completed a quarter-scale technology demonstrator. The company is also working on smaller-scale freight drones based on the same airframe. So VRCO sees the XP4 as a personal eVTOL aircraft for private owners rather than commercial applications such as air taxi services. The company believes that regulates will be content for the vehicle to be flown by private pilot license holder. MyEye Pro. The MyEye Pro is a wearable device for the blind and visually impaired, so it uses small camera and artificial intelligence to provide real-time information about the user's surrounding. The MyEye Pro can read text, identify objects, and even recognize faces, so it can also be used to navigate new places and to provide assistance with daily tasks. Pro is about the size of a small matchbox and can be attached to any pair of eyeglasses, which is controlled by a simple voice interface. To use the MyEye Pro, the user simply points the camera at something they want to learn about more and ask the device what is it. The MyEye Pro will be respond with a spoken descriptions. It is still in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the lives of people who are blind or visually impaired, so it can help them to live more independently and participate more fully in society. Watergen Water RVs. Watergen Water RVs are innovative atmospheric water generators to produce fresh drinking water from the air and right on board your RV. So this means that you can have access to clean, safe drinking water whenever you go without having to worry about running out. Watergen AVGs use patient technology to extract water vapor from the air, and the water vapor is then condensed and purified, so resulting in fresh drinking water that meets the highest standard of quality. Watergen's AVGs are very efficient and produce up to 50 liters of water per day. So even in the driest and driest climates, that are also very easy to use and require minimal maintenance. Romotow Prototype. Romotow Prototype is a revolutionary new caravan that is designed to maximize space and comfort. So it features a unique rotating cabin that expands the living area by 70% when parked. The Romotow Prototype is still in the early stages of development, but it has already won several awards and for the innovative design. So the caravan is expected to go into productions in 2024. Niostem. Niostem is a German technology company that is developing innovative technologies to unlock the body's regenerative potentials. Niostem flagship product is a smart wearable device that uses stem cell technology to stop hair loss and promote hair growth. So Niostem wearable device uses a patented technology called stem cell reactively technology and recreations to awaken dominant hair follicle system cells. This stimulates psychological hair regrowth, resulting in thicker, dense hair. The Niostem wearable device has been clinically proven to be safe and effective, so in a recent study, participants who used the device experienced a significant increase in hair density after just 3 months of use. Niostem is also developing other technologies to harness the power and power of stem cells for regenerative medicine. So the company is working on treatments for a variety of conditions, including single skin damage, muscle injuries, and osteoarthritis. DJI Mini 4 leak. The Mini 4 will be the first DJI drone to feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. So this means that the drone will be able to sense and avoid obstacles in all directions, so make it safer to fly in flight spaces. It will alert sensor that a Mini 3 Pro, which will allow it to take better low light photos and videos. It will have a longer flight time, and the Mini 3 Pro, possibly up to 40 minutes, will be compatible with the DJI RC Pro remote control, which has a built-in screen. Hitachi Rail Blue Trains. The Hitachi Rail Blue Trains is a new hybrid bi-modal train. Is currently in service in Italy. It is the first tri-modal train in Europe, so meaning that it can run 3 different power sources: diesel, electric, and battery. The Blue Train is designed to reduce fuel consumptions and emissions by up to 50% compared to conventional diesel trains. It can also operate on non-electrified lines, which make it a more versatile option for regional rail network. Natilus and ZeroAvia have announced a partnership to develop hydrogen electric engines for Natilus cargo aircraft. So this is significant development, as it could help to make zero emissions cargo aviation a reality. Natilus is a company that is developing autonomous blended wing body. It's a cargo aircraft. BMB aircraft are more aerodynamically efficiently that traditional tube and wing aircraft, which means that they can use fuel and produce fewer emissions. ZeroAvia is a company that is developing hydrogen electric engines for aircraft. Hydrogen electric engines are no more even than traditional jet engines, and they produce zero emissions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And for more videos, subscribe TechX Lovers.